Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart this slide bar holder and put it back together. That way, for any reason, it was disassembled and you don't know how to get it back in one piece, well, now you do. So you'll want a 2mm hex wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, all right? And one of the first things we're gonna do carefully is with the small hex wrench here, there's a small set screw right here, okay? We're gonna wanna back this out, okay? Without losing it. So there you go, tiny little set screw. And we take that out because there is a Phillips head screw right in here, okay? And that set screw prevents this screw from backing out, okay? So we take that part out. Oops, gotta be careful because there are some small parts. So there's this split washer in there, okay? And then inside of the holder, you have this screw, which has a nylon washer on it. So that's what you have on that side. And then on the other side, you just have this wheel knob. So you can just unthread that, and then you have this part, okay? And the flat surface goes in, the hollow surface sticks out. So we'll just put it back together now, okay? So this is loose, you can see now. So when we screw this back on, that'll compress onto that little part we stuck in there, and now it doesn't slide around. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll take this split washer, and that'll just go right in this groove like that. And then you'll take your holder and just slide it right over that. And we'll take the screw right here, slide it in there, and we'll tighten it down. Okay, don't need to over tighten it, just make sure that this can turn, but it's still snug. And then we'll take this set screw, and right underneath in that set screw hole, we'll go ahead and get this tightened down. All right. So there you go. Slide bar holder taken apart and put back together. The last thing, this is tapered. So if you're mounting it like this, okay, just want to turn that 180 and have the larger opening there. And there you have it. Thank you. Hope that helps.